Hi guys, it's RockinRobin, and today I'm looking at what sold on eBay and Poshmark in the month of June. I thought June was kind of a slower month than I expected, but let's take a look. We're starting off with this Stanley Classic vacuum insulated wide mouth bottle, and we got $22 for that. I bought this for $2.99 at a Goodwill. I'm always looking for Stanley. I don't believe there's two different kinds of Stanley. So I think this is more of a vintage one, but I don't know. What do you think? I picked it up. I saw it. I didn't know whether I should buy it, but I grabbed it and it took about maybe 3 months to sell. So it did sell. Now next I sold this Swarovski annual edition ornament. Now I got $50 for this. I got this in a great lot at a garage sale that cost me $20 for, God, like more than 20 things. And a lot of them were worth a lot, but he just wanted to get rid of them. He was a eBay person who sold a lot on eBay, and he said he just wanted to get rid of stuff because he was done with it. And so he sold everything very cheap. So I got 50 for that. This is some shoes. Now I've had this, gosh, I want to say since like November. And I bought them for $2. There is a store that I go to that has $2 Tuesdays for shoes. Sometimes they have good shoes. Sometimes even when I get there as it opened, other people beat me to it because, boy, they all like that sale. So it's hard to get those shoes. But I bought this pair for $2 and we sold it for $22 on eBay. So next, I knew that it was going to be soccer time. And I saw some soccer shirts. I bought maybe 3 of them. This is the second one that sold. I got these for $5.99 each at Goodwill. This one was Mexico. I know Mexico and Spain and US and I think Brazil are hot right now. I sold 2. I think I sold the Brazil and Mexico. I have another one, but I think it's England and I think it's like one of their teams, not necessarily a national team. And that's the only one that hasn't sold. But I got 2 of these for $5.99, sold the other one for 40 something. And this was part of that lot that I had told you I got for $20 with the other item, the one Swarovski. So I paid $2 for this and I sold it for $28.99. I'm always looking for some kind of model kit trains. Make sure they're complete in plastic. If there's just pieces, it's not worth buying because everybody wants to be sure that it is complete. So always be sure if you're looking that they are new in package. Next, I sold these. Now, I had these for a while at the flea market thinking somebody would like them and nobody was interested. And I put them up in my auction for $1.99, no interest. And I said, I'm not tossing these. I'm not giving them to Goodwill. So I put them up for $19.99 and less than a month later, gone. So sometimes even more money in buy it now is better than the auction. You never know what to do anymore. So next we had this purse. Now I am not sure where I got this purse and exactly how much I paid for it. But I had it for a while. There was no movement. I was asking $25 and I didn't even really get a like or anything. So I did put it up in auction for $7.99. I wish I knew how much I exactly paid for this. I'm not sure. I never spend more than $5 for any kind of purse. So that is the most I spent. Most likely like $3 or $4, but I don't know. All right, next, I wish I had like 5 of these because this sold right away. I put this up and I had gotten it at the Goodwill, well, no, the Salvation Army, they had a $1 day. And I grabbed this one and it sold for $16.99 and I sold it, I'd say a month and a half the most, and it was gone. I have several Cuba Veras, but for some reason they seem to like the blue, whether it's a light blue or a dark blue. So keep your eyes open for those if you see them. Next was this Tommy Bahama shirt. I paid $8.99. I bought this, God, maybe 2 years ago in Myrtle Beach. I got like 8 of them. And I think I still have 2 left. But I bought them for $8.99. This one sold for $31. I sold some for as much as $46, I think, anywhere from $30 to $46. And when I paid $8.99, I thought, gosh, am I paying too much? I hate spending that much. But these are embroidered, and these are really extraordinary. So if you see embroidered Tommy Bahamas, grab them. Next, this Peanuts shirt. This is like the second or third Peanuts shirt that I have sold that's Snoopy. So I always keep my eye out for Peanuts. I seem like when I get these, they sell within a couple months. I have only had this for a couple months. Faster than a lot of my Disney. And I have a lot of Disney, and they do sell, but it seems like it takes time. And for some reason, this one seems to sell fast. I sold this one on Poshmark. Well, this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up. Now you go out there, you find something good, you put it on eBay, and you make yourself some money.